To separate image in Canva, you want to come to this create sign here, and you will come to the photo editor here. From here, I'm going to upload the image I want to separate, which is this image. It will open up in this interface, and from here I will click on create design. Once our image opens up in the editor, I want to come under tools here and click on see all and scroll down and go over to magic layers. This is actually free for now in Canva, and it analyzes the image and starts its separation process. You see our image has been splitted into editable layers, and from here if we go into position and come over to layers, you can see all the layers in our image. You see the little girl, the little boy, even down to the mat. You see the lady, you see the mother, the father, and the older sister. And you can also see the background. It's all different, and you can actually move each and every one of them around how you want to move it. And if at any point you want to download an individual image, say we want to download her alone, what I usually do is to click on it, and what I do again is to duplicate her and select the both of them. I'll move her up from the layers panel here and hold shift on my keyboard to select the top one. I will come over to arrange here and align it to the top and to the left. You see it's now centered, and I will come to these three dots and download selection. This gives me the option to download selection. So I will click on download selection, and I like to download it with a transparent background. I will click on transparent background, and you can save that image alone into your device.